Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn about data types in Java. In Java, there are two main types of data type, primitive data type and non-primitive data type. In primitive data types, Java has 8 types, that is byte, short, int, long, float, double, char and boolean. In non-primitive data type, Java has string, class, enum, array, etc. So Java is a statically typed language. What does mean statically typed? It means that when we declare a variable, we must define its data type. As we can see here, we have defined the variable by data type. So we had to write here its data type. In previous video, we had learned about default value. So here we can see that we have not initialized any of the variable. Now we are trying to print these variables. We can see here default value is printed here. So default value for byte is 0, short is 0, int is 0, long is 0, and for float it's 0.0 and double it is also 0.0, and for char it's empty space, and for boolean it's false, and the default value for the string is null, or for any object it's null. Here we can see the size of each kind of data. Size help us to determine the space required in memory. So we have learned the data types in Java. Thanks for watching the channel. Please like and subscribe the channel.